All right, what we're going to look at this little section of stuff is how do we can, let me give you the definition your book gives it. This is approximating binomial powers, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to approximate a binomial power. This is actually pretty cool. So if we've got this form of a shape, we're going to have this linear approximation, okay? And that's how it's going to work. So if we're looking for a linear approximation of some sort of binomial power, doesn't matter what the power is, then we're just going to follow this pattern. So we've got some problems here. We've got 1 minus the cube root of 1 minus x. So let's just rewrite all these so that they match our generic example. So this guy would look like that. This guy right here is going to look like this. This guy right here. Now notice it's x to some power, so this is going to be a two-stepper probably. But look at this. We've got 1 plus 5x to the 4th to the 1/2. But I need just an x there, so what do you think on that? I don't know. I feel like something maybe interesting happening here. We'll check this one. And then this guy is going to be 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. So that's what you got. 1 plus kx. So in this case, k is 3. So 1 plus kx is just going to be 1 plus, this actually should be 1/3 here. 1 plus 1/3 times negative x. So you're going to end up with 1 minus x over 3. That's your approximation. That's all there is to it, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. What about this guy right here? So this guy, k is equal to negative 1. Let me just, this is bothering me. This should be a 1/3. So k is negative 1 here, so what are we going to have? We're going to have 1 plus k times x. So 1 plus x is how this one should turn out. All right, what about this guy down here? So this is going to be 1 plus, and then on this guy, if you'll notice, it's going to be the 1/2, and then times to whatever's in the x spot. So that whole, this whole 5x to the 4th, that whole thing is in the x spot, and so when we do him, oh, I messed up my color here. When we do him, we're going to end up with 1/2 times 5x to the 4th. So that's going to give me then 1 plus 5/2 x to the 4th, or 1 plus 5x to the 4th over 2. All of those will work. All those work. The last one then, we've got that negative 1/2 up there, so 1 plus k times x. And so this guy's going to end up being 1 plus 1/2 x squared. And the same thing on this one, you could also say 1 plus x squared over 2. But that's how you approximate make an approximation of a linear approximation with this special binomial situation only. It's really kind of a cool deal.